Hey guys, it's ARCHIELUXURY. Guess where I am? I am in New York City. That's right, New York, New York. If you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Let's do a room tour. Actually, I should say let's do a closet tour. Because that's the size of my room in New York. I'm just kidding with you. It's actually pretty damn good. So let's take a look. Might be best if I stand outside so we can see. So basically, guys, my loom, it's a single little loom, and I think it's pretty cool. Look at this. It's got a comfy bed, cozy bed. What more do you really want? A PowerPoint would be really good to have access to, but hey, power sometimes is overrated. This is the room. It's cool. The room is cool. It's got a, oh, it's got a safe. It's got a safe as well. There's an extra pillow. There's a safe. You've got a thingy for your bag. Extra pillow. I might put my clothes up there. So I like to have two pillows. Oh, we got power. Power points right down the base of the bed. What more do you want? And we got a TV. A color TV. Oh, Lord, won't you buy me a color TV? Guys, it's looking pretty damn good. I got a window with a view. A window with a view. What more do you want? This is New York studio living. Welcome back, Carter. Welcome back, Carter. No, I'm actually pretty pleased with this. This is beautiful. I can set my PC up, charge my equipment. It's a simple little abode. What more do you need in New York? It's got a steel chair. It's got a wash basin, a bucket. What more do you want? I'm ARCHIELUXURY, coming to you live from New York City, New York, USA tour.